Welcome to this installation video for the RailBlazers aluminum railing glass panel system. In this video, we are going to show you just how easy it is to install a high-quality, durable, and virtually maintenance-free railing system. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to successfully install the glass panel system. Prior to getting started, it is important to always have two people available to handle glass panels. Always lift a glass panel by its sides. Tempered glass is extremely fragile. Do not bump the edges. Now, let's get started. Measure and mark the position of all posts and space them equally, making sure the space between the posts is no more than 6 feet for single-family detached houses. For all other applications, please check with our customer service team for required post spacing. Ensure the measurement is from the center of the first and last post. It's important to note that the distance between the glass panel and a post must never exceed 3 15/16 inches. We have 4 types of posts. Each of these is installed in the same way. The first step of installation is where we fasten the first post into position, ensuring that the post is plumb. Mark the location of the holes to be drilled using the post base as a template. Then drill the holes for the anchoring fasteners. The size of the hole will depend on the type of fasteners used for your specific deck structure. Move the post back into position and use a drill with the appropriate socket to secure the post to the deck using 4 fasteners. Once the first post is secured, temporarily position the second post, but do not secure it yet. Cut the hand and base rails to fit between the posts. Now, insert the hand and base rails into the first post and remove the plastic picket gasket from each rail. Secure the rails to the first post using self-drilling screws. Cut the glass gaskets the same length as the rails and drill 1/8 inch holes into the base rail gasket for water drainage. Press the glass gaskets into the rails. It's important to note that the smaller of the 2 glass gaskets goes into the base rail. To ensure that the glass panel remains engaged in the rails, install 1 base rail support for each glass panel section. To install the base rail support, insert it into the bottom channel of the base rail and move it to the center of the base rail. Drill fastener holes for the second post, then move the post into position and fasten it to the deck surface, ensuring that the post is plumb. Now secure the rails to the second post with self-drilling screws and secure the base rail support to the deck surface using the supplied screws. Ensure that the glass gaskets and the top and bottom edges of the glass panel are well lubricated with liquid soap before installing the glass panel. Install the glass panel by inserting it into the handrail gasket first, then lowering it into the base rail gasket. Ensure that the glass is fully seated in the gaskets and wash away the excess soap with clean water. Now repeat these steps to install each remaining glass panel section. Please refer to our installation guide for more details. If your railing system requires angled sections, is attached to a wall, or between existing posts, you can use our universal connector or wall mount bracket. The universal connector can be used for installing stairs if you use it vertically, or for angles on your deck if you use it horizontally. Congratulations on successfully installing your glass panel system. RailBlazers aluminum railing systems are available in a variety of options to suit your architecture and landscape environment. 6-inch glass panel kits, large glass panels, standard pickets, wide pickets. We also carry options for gates and stairs. Please visit our website for further information and enjoy your RailBlazers aluminum railing system.